what it means when you see yourself removing or destroying birds' nests in dreams. That means don't be envious of other people's houses. It actually means you don't have to destroy the peace of mind of other people, because probably somewhere subconsciously you are envying people around you and probably want to be either like them or want to possess things like them. Now this is all subconscious. Consciously you may not even realize it. But when this dream comes, it just means that enviousness and jealousies are two factors in your life that are probably taking you away from your true potentials and your true talents. So get back into this, because enviousness, jealousies are two negative energies and they're so powerful. When you put it out from your thoughts, you are attracting those kind of energies back to you. So the success can be a little troublesome.